Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you always. Be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see friends in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet socks designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique Crochet socks designs. I hope you all love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they'll have different types of designs and ideas. Unique handmade designs, beautiful textures, patterns, elegant and the appearance. Personalized styles reflect individual taste. Styling options comfortable, breathable, soft yarns, warm, suitable for cooler weather. Long lasting, resistant to wears. Easy care machines, washable, dryable, with stays suitable for various occasions. Confidence boosters, unique handmade designs. Self experience reflects personal style, relaxations, glamping, smoothing textures, connections, handmade, sentimental value, proud of ownership, quality, and handmade. Health benefits, national fabric, hologram, breathable regulations of food temperature, truth, improve circulations, compressions, free designs, reduce food fatigue, consumes sportive, midnightful, Croatia promotes relaxations. Types of Croatia sock designs, ankle socks, key high socks, crow socks, dual socks, hard-leaded socks. Single crochet, half double crochet, triple crochet, shield stitch, wool, cotton, natural fabric, bamboo silk, food size, shape, personal style, preference, budget, occasion, scissors, climate, colorful triple pattern, natural inspire, modes, geometric patterns, climate fixed designs, handmade free paper, urban outfits, and the made well. Customization, fertilizations, fit designs, cost-effective, affordable material, creative experience, reflect personal style, relaxations, gleaming, smoothing, Croatia process. Would you like to explore basic Croatia stock designs or benefits of your needs? Share this video with your family and friends who want these types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your food. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your designs, Croatia. So, viewers, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.